Guys, this is the saddest part ever. This is my last piece of food. I'm gonna use it very well. Now, guys, comment down below what should I do with this sauce. What should I do? I also want to show you guys my new watch. So, it's a T-Mobile Sync Up Kids watch. It is very cool. You can call, text. Parents can see your location. And so much more. Tasks, boundaries. It's so good. Bye.